Good morning, children. How are you all? Very good. Are you all ready for today's class? Okay. So, shall we begin? All right. Children, today I'm going to teach you a new rhyme. And the name of our rhyme is Twin Aeroplane. What is the name of our rhyme? Twin Aeroplane. Before we start with a new rhyme, I'm going to show you some pictures. Are you all ready? Okay. What is this, children? You all must have seen this. This is a car. And where can we see a car? Running on the road. Can we see a car flying up in the sky? No, we don't. We can see a car running on the road. The same way, a scooter, a bicycle, a auto rickshaw, a truck, they all run on the road. So we see all these vehicles on the road. This is a ship. What is this? This is a ship. And ship sails only in the water. Where can we see a ship? Sailing only in the water. Ship, boat, we can all see them sailing only in the water. Can we see a ship running on the road? No, we don't see. We see them only in the water. Wow, what is this? This is an aeroplane. And where do we see an aeroplane? Up in the sky, isn't it? Up in the sky. You all like to watch an aeroplane, isn't it? Yes. So you all come running to see an aeroplane, isn't it? Yes. So children, today we are going to learn a new rhyme, Twin Aeroplane. What is the name of a rhyme? Twin Aeroplane. And why is it called Twin Aeroplane? Because we have two aeroplanes in our poem. And they both are same to same. They both are same to same. So that is why the name of the poem is Twin Aeroplane. Okay? So I will say the poem first. You will only listen. And after that, we will say it together. Okay? Title of the poem is Twin Aeroplanes. Two twin aeroplanes, two twin aeroplanes, flying high, flying high, circling and turning, circling and turning in the sky, in the sky. Did you all like the poem? Okay, it's a very short and a sweet poem. Okay, you all are going to love this poem. So now I will say the poem. You can say it after me. Okay, title of the poem is Twin Aeroplanes. Two twin aeroplanes, two twin aeroplanes, flying high, flying high, circling and turning, circling and turning in the sky, in the sky. Very good, children. Very nice. So shall we say it once more? Okay. Title of the poem is Twin Aeroplanes. Two twin aeroplanes, two twin aeroplanes. aeroplanes flying high, circling and turning in the sky, Very good, children, very nice. So children, I want you all to learn this poem, okay? Now it's some activity time. You all like to do some activity, isn't it? Yes. So shall we begin with our activity? Okay, so let's start. Today, let us learn how to make a paper aeroplane. I have taken a white plain paper. You can take any color paper you want. Okay. Now first, I am going to fold this paper into half like this. Okay. See, I have folded the paper. Now I am going to unfold this paper like this, and this point and this point I am going to fold it so that I get a triangle shape like this. Okay. Now this side also I am going to fold like this to get a triangle shape. Now can you see this? This I am going to fold it down like this. Okay children. Now again this point and this point I am going to fold it to get a triangle shape like this. And this one like this. Okay. Now can you see this point? Now this I am going to fold it upwards like this. Okay. See. Now I am going to turn this, and again I am going to fold it like this. See. Now this part I am going to fold it again like this, and I am going to turn it again, and this part also I am going to fold it like this. See children, aeroplane is ready. So you can also try this at home. It's very easy. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care and bye bye.